Ahlan. Siya ay miyan. Miyan benar siya. Kaya kidnap miyan benar. Ha? Kidnap miyan benar. Siya ngayon subaya lang.
Hello, kum no baro phia long nget phia sha ya khlan ba kum bangi ro shani ya sha ya khlan teni ke video kum phia I nang kali ya email ba sha ngen len ba email I im banai na mar kani ke video ni I surprise email bangin ya le ya kan do any parlok khasi jingi tang bangi thok ya I bangi ngem ya let shura te takadai mai ong ngam tip sha bangin net chenu tang ba bangi la ya kan do ha bai la tip bangin wan shne la comment ba
Iya, mana dia?
Yes, ngawang kinong boy, hindi kinong ruay sudah.
You okay?
Kan sojong ayas tu lawan kita badu like tahap share ruay tang hakali. Manu ban ya like concert ayas mah.
No woman, no cry. Tonight we gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Okay. Nanti aku deh mau bilang like 3. Okay. No. Tonight we gonna be alright. Okay. Okay. I wanna show you how deep I love it. Girl, before I wasn't feeling so old. That you girl, I'm so control my singing. Now I wanna.
City of Kings.
Yeah. I thought the city of king.
Cashel means City of King.
Oh, Cashel means city of king.
Cashel of the King.
Cashel of the king. Oh, we're gonna come to the Cashel of the king.
Ini ke shnong ka bangin like menta ka dan ha po ka county ka baki khot ka Tipperary. Nang taya kan ni ka shnong pade ki khot da ka Cashel.
Get down jing internet. Go weather ka best la hun mi iat. Hmm? Kawan cakap Tipperary na amar panggilan keduk parari tak Tipperary Tipperary.
Dia bangila ya kendu ya ni parlok jengi la le ya lambat pen I email la pen I klo ya karyam jong ngi ki khasi ha kini ki parlok phareng ba email la sngo khan la batai bang te
Ke internet siapa yang ni tahun ro kan?
Cashel Town.
Cashel Town. Ah, hang ni hading pernah ada tu. Ya kini kis em. Kini kini mani. Cashel Museum tu mana? Ni kan ya?
Ya, ya, ya.
Ya, ni. Ah, ni yang selang, yang trap ni sih. Yang selang. Ah, ni dan history ni mata kini rukam bu dan history baik kini. The War of Independence Irish War. Oi kun. Ni dah yapet kun. Ah, ni mani pelari san. Empat you ira kan kun up kan lawan. Ah, ni peti ke Cashel pet kun ni like tay big one. Ah, ni peti kali. Ah, ni peti ibang ke Cashel na ni. Wow, peti. Oh, wow, pet ken? Oh, pet Mia? Oh, wow. It's a long way to Tipperary, the rock of Cashel. It's a long way to go. Look, we're gonna go to that castle, the princess house. You remember? Yes. Ay, nang hiba penyalam yung
Tingin yan lạnh bệnh. Anh đi get thợ nuôi tree ra. That's why I'm going down the hill. Get here. Itu kan ya. Cultural Center. Kanisha these rumi liat bangin ya bu parking kali. Kini trash nong tekila ya tibas no ban ya bu de bay la yi dem hap ya siu ko dan hatu aja ni ke Jakaban. Siu parking tang bang ili bat trash nong de ngi ya. Yo ay bay parking na tawat ka bay rung yo ay. One hami ni like the rock of Cashel. Pa hami I can do parlong parlok kasi. Nang tai may hang te hidan. Ni hami teo kwa bit banyak tak teka kali. Hami hapo uphill. Itu kalau kelun sini uphill. Kat ni ulum tu. Kwa bit tak kata. And clear salon. Here. Ni dan box shisha baka sini ke syai ba man la kan sini bangilai. Dan nanti dia ke krep ha. Tuh selabe itu kali. Kuat ada banyak deh. Iji het met ipi. Niu haming habangi don shabar bat ki wei bat ki jait benriu. Ni hab kran hi da ka pareng ha basas pareng te nu ni kai kum no tang ka khasi. U hab ban kran lang hi ka pareng.
Aku nggak ada ring.
Te tang da post kum tei ni la ya kiu no shajrong ban ni la ya poi no sha te shajrong ka te ka Cashel. Hindai pe dei mi ka ber em ka kreat tang ba wo ka jing kreat ngala babi bang aklet ya ka jaket. Te tang khaniat ngko ban ai ka history sha phang jong ka ni ka Cashel bat kum nu ka ni ka ying iem ka don halor jung te umau. Kani ke Jakana do ki pormen shua kala dei ka bapau nam halani ka baki ka historical monuments jong ka Ireland. Ika tei ka yings imam ka don halor jong uni umau. Dina do ki por hindai ki jinge thu khana ke long ba uni umau umi haka por ba u Saint Patrick u be no ya usai tanna ka tei ka Jaka haka ni ka rukom uni umau ula wan dor la ni ula wan shong ha uni ka Jaka. Shushu haka century haka san century u Saint Patrick ula penkela kristano ya usim lani ya king of Munster. Kani Munster shani kamut kum ka district kum bangidon is to east Khasi Hills district kum takan kani ka Munster. Te kani ka Tipperary ka phapa poka Munster. Te uni u tau king of Munster la sha penkela kristana u Saint Patrick. Shushu ka jinge thu khana ki barem ka yai beteng ha ka ba ki ngai ba ka ni ka rock of Cashel ka dei ka Jaka jong kini kis im da ki spa snemen shua hashwa ba kini ki Normans ki wan ban hiertma ya kani ka Jaka tang ba ha ka snem shejar shi spa I wei ba de kani ka uniu king udunit no ya kani ka rock of Cashel sha ka ying mania bat lapen kala no ya kani ka Jaka ka bakentang bat kumta hang ni ha ying mania hang ni hapo jong kani ka Jaka phini I ba ki don ki dor jisu ka don ki bala shu shrong pe kum ka tei ki don ki table ki don ki pe ka tei ka dei ka long kum ka cross lani ka dei na jong jisu hang tu ka don te nang ta pa de shabar jong kani ka yeng mani ki dan ru ki lom jing tem hang ni ha Ireland man la ki yeng mani ki shabar jong ki de bandon be ki lom jing tem bon na ki yeng mani ki dan lom jing
Kani ka jing raban kani ka ni ban.
Yes. You can't open that. Mommy, we can go inside the princess house. Mommy, open the princess house. Here, there is a big door. Come on. Lahir senang hindai. Ni jibang tak dekat yin jibang.
Mi kwa shandur tapete chakawa jakyat kabas ngausi klang bi mi iklat ban rajuti kongdong ban sem ya pong da kita kiranas ang bagi dur jung i padangala internet ba i pet i shongkia ba da pong da ke ru sin bala de da kariam la de te kumbang ong mene ong pek te kilom jing tap shabar jang kaya mene te pini ya te kidan kilom jing tap te nga ba hami ting ye yat kasha ne shabar sadin ni jong kaya wani email papa hami ba ni par lok ba de kili ero shapo pan skap ya ka history jong kani ka rock of Cashel te ya ka history jong kani ka babatay da ka parang nga labu ha bakot tu jong kani ka video te pinipi ko ban skap kampon shu kampon ki details pila ban pek ko ni video ni ko kan pipi ko ka and jangan ni ke video iya ke video yang tadi Jaka dan beda ki Jaka ki pada PPI ke ni ke don kham ngai na po ka town la ni ka city center te ki dang ki priu hishanish Ireland ki dang boni ki barap ki baryang hi tang ba ke ke ba kham long ka ba kham dek ba phalan re ke ka bang nga yu iya nga ka phala ka long ba shani kim trai shu ta ka bor brio ki la le be da ka machine ta ka da pe ka jing i pli ka jing i bet rukom rap rukom riang ru kim da trai shu tang da ka man power khandai la bon be da ka machine ka dik ke ba kham bangam pat jio i ha bangadon shatu mo mar ngi shatu da ngi rap be da ka bor kitang kham bon hi bangi rap be da ka bor brio Kami tu enjoy jai usong kacing kriat station jerong la ban ong namar bakat pe kale air hani air la namar bangi dei hap deng betemo kacing kriat.
Mommy, you need to be careful. Your. Nah, ang wan syang kon de. Han be kon tang ayu i ki Jaka itenat. Polis, dedeng ba. Loi, deng ba se. Kon ka bro. Udi. Bebek kem na papa bu na sa jele papa wot hami klai. Ni la de biawan kaning jong itu parlok jengi nang teng ini lek phai na sha yeng. Me e te la kham syang extra ban yengi mentas ni plus enjoy. Enjoy pala. Mesti like senang. Hapot Tipperary. Tengin siapa yang hadu sibet mentah te kalamit keloi. Kita kalamit pra penjie kelas dang miet nak mentah la anrew steng. Itu ki Jaka. Sini ki buon ma ki Cashel ki yang ki balak rim ma. I Mei I pek ki yang rim ong Mei.
400 meters, turn
Ni
right.
tengin kami opet.
Dominican Abbey.
Dengan kami opet kan sa pet dik tu I Mei. Okay, bye.
Te tangkat ni ke la kot ka trip ke jongiru ban ngilai lik pai no sayang tenga kermen ba PCR play enjoy ke video jongi kumbangi ru ngilai enjoy kan gasni ke jongi rado nginde kendu yang ha ke waipat ke video tenga kermen pindang ya syat nya klan ublei on kerku ya pi ba ro kublei shi bun ya ka jing kersan jong pi ba rabor
which man has exploited over the centuries to provide for his defense and security. On Arran Moor, a prehistoric fort lies at the summit of thunderous cliffs, 200 feet above the Atlantic waves. On the coast of Antrim, medieval lords built their castle on a rock promontory, looking out over turbulent waters, where a Spanish galleon was shattered in the summer of 1588. Inland, a hilltop hilltop in Donegal, with views for miles around, was used by pre-Christian builders for a stone fort. And on the borders of Ulster, Norman lords chose a steep crag on which to construct their commanding medieval castle. But most famous of all is the limestone bastion, which rises from the plains of Tipperary, a site occupied for centuries by the ancient kings of Munster. What we see today is no ordinary fortress. In the year 1101, this great fortified bastion, the Rock of Cashel, was presented as a gift to the church. Henceforth, Cashel was no longer a stronghold of kings, but a stronghold of the Christian faith. As masons laboured to build Cormac's Chapel, the Irish Church entered a new era of reform and spiritual renewal. Nonetheless, these were turbulent centuries in Irish history, centuries in which moments of prosperity and optimism all too often gave way to moments of despair. In their search for security, some put their faith in strong walls and castles, but for their future salvation, everyone looked to the church, to Christ himself, to the apostles and to the saints who might intercede for the souls of mankind. Already in the early years of the 12th century, men of vision, like the saintly Malachy of Armagh, inspired by what they had seen abroad, yearned to improve the religious life of their country. Bishops and archbishops were now to rule over the church, rather than monks and abbots, the time-honored practice before. Cashel itself was proudly chosen as the seat of an archbishopric. It is no coincidence that the stone crosses of the time depict imperious bishops proclaiming their authority as Christ's representatives on earth. From abroad came new orders of monks to set a fresh pattern of strict religious devotion. Foremost among them